to subscribe! Introducing Pororo's friends, Loopy!
Hello, Loopy. Oh? Hello. Try some of this cake.
Hi, guys! Today, I'll introduce you to the little beaver of the Pororo village. It's Loopy!
My friends will enjoy having this bread tomorrow morning.
Loopy is very caring and sweet. She bakes many cakes and pies for her friends.
La 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 la. It's ready. Pororo. Loopy, hello. I made you a pie. Share this with Kron. Wow. Thank you, Loopy.
Besides cooking, Loopy has many other hobbies too. She grows flowers and she is also good at drawing.
A green tree. And to finish, a blue sky. Kron. Kron.
Oh no! I ruined Loopy's pretty drawing by mistake! Even though I ruined her drawing, Loopy didn't even get angry. She just said, let's draw on the snow instead of paper. Thanks to Loopy, we were all able to have fun together. Also, when I messed up Loopy's puzzle, she kindly told me how to fit the puzzle pieces together. Although she was angry at first.
This is what I made. What is this? Pororo! It's okay. I'll forgive you this time. Why don't we try to fix this pretty puzzle together?
Even Loopy has something she is not good at. It's sports.
Hello, Slowpoke. What? Slowpoke? Pororo. Have to go. Yep. Did you just tease me? Okay. Loopy, shoot.
Huh? Oh.
Oops, I fell. Okay, focus this time. Loopy, pass it to me. Here.
Loopy, you're bad at soccer, aren't you?
What? It's true. Loopy's not good at other sports either. What? I could be good if I practice.
Loopy wanted to show her friends that she can also be good at sports. Then, our wizard friend Tong Tong gave Loopy a pill that can make her wish come true. Because she had to take the pill first to make a wish, she swallowed the pill right away and wished that she was good at sports.
That's what I thought.
That's our Loopy.
What just happened?
I don't know.
Wow! The wish really came true! She was now good at sports. But while her wish came true, the magic pill also took away her best ability too. So Loopy lost her ability to cook. When she made a terrible tasting pie, unlike the delicious foods she used to make, we were all really shocked.
Does it taste strange? Let's see.
No, don't!
In the end, Loopy Loopy took another magic pill and wished that she was back to the way she was before.
The best. Teach me how to cook, Loopy.
Wow, it's yummy.
That's right, Loopy's the best.
Yeah, it's nice to be good at sports, but I like making yummy food for my friends more.
So, Loopy became a good cook again, although she isn't good at sports anymore.
I'm so bad at sports.
Loopy, but you're awesome at cooking instead.
That's right, your cooking is the best, Loopy. That's right. You don't have to be good at sports, Loopy. Anyway, I am glad that Loopy is a good cook again. I would be so sad if I weren't able to eat Loopy's delicious food. Actually, we love Loopy's cooking so much that we ended up making her really tired once.
Loopy! Pororo,
Loopy,
what's going on?
can you make us some more sandwiches?
More sandwiches?
They were so yummy, huh?
All right. I can make 2 more.
All right.
Oh, Pororo and Krong are here too.
Yep, we wanted more of Loopy's sandwiches. That's why we came too. Loopy's going to make us more. Loopy, make more for us too.
Okay.
After we found out she was really tired that day, we decided to cook for Loopy this time. But we ended up making strange foods. Although the foods were terrible, she still remembered to thank us.
I don't care if it's a mess. You worked so hard to make all these things for me. I'm really grateful.
Thank you, Loopy! Tasty foods weren't the only things that Loopy gave us. She once made mufflers for all of us.
Krong, you came at the right time. I made this scarf for you.
Krang.
Thank you, Krong.
Krang.
It smells good.
Oh, you made the scarf especially for Krong. I'm jealous.
Don't be jealous. I made one for each of you.
What? Really?
Here you are.
Wow!
This is for Poby.
Thank you.
This is for Eddie.
Wow, it's pretty.
And this is for you, Pororo.
Thank you.
Loopy is so kind-hearted. Loopy sometimes nags and scolds us, but that's because she cares for her friends. Loopy has the warmest heart. I can't even imagine the Porong village without Loopy. I'll end Loopy's story here. Next time, let's meet the Porong village's trustful little bear, Poby.